Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best portable electric stoves that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have a Musa GAO 80305 electric single burner. When cost is key, this small burner may be all you need. Its low price, simple design, and compact frame make it ideal for heating up a pot of soup for lunch at the office, making some late-night snacks in a dorm room, or cooking a quick dinner at an RV campsite or rustic cabin. One nice feature is its variable temperature control. You can set the knob to anywhere between low and high rather than choosing among a limited number of temperatures. It has a surprising amount of power for its size, too, 1,100 watts. However, the burner is a puny 5.5 inches in diameter, which means you're limited to small pans, and its coil design is much harder to clean than flat cast iron burners. It's not designed for long, slow cooking, as Musa recommends against having it turned on for more than 60 minutes in a 2-hour period, and the burner shuts off automatically when overheated. Moving on at number 4, we have Koozymax electric hot plate for cooking. Despite its small size, Koozymax's hot plate packs an impressive 1,500 watts of power. Paired with its heat-holding cast iron material, that's enough to get really hot. Hot enough to effectively sear meats or stir-fry veggies. However, your home tester found that the whole housing, including the temperature knob, got very hot with the burner turned to the highest and even medium-high settings, making it hard to use and a safety hazard, especially with kids around. She found the Koozymax much better suited for lower temperature slow cooking or simmering, something it's likely to do as an extra burner at Thanksgiving or a family reunion. And it carries a fairly moderate price tag for its power and features. At number 3, we have Oventy electric infrared burner. Like a ceramic stovetop, this infrared burner uses radiant coils to heat food quickly and efficiently. Unlike an induction burner, which can't use aluminum, glass, ceramic, and other non-magnetic pans, infrared works with any material you can put on a standard stovetop. For best results, Oventy recommends using pans with a flat bottom, close to the 7.5-inch diameter of the burner. The device's flat glass surface holds all the heat and, as a bonus, simply wipes clean. The 1,000-watt burner offers 6 temperature settings. Even at the highest one, the infrared technology focuses the heat to the cooking surface, which helps keep the base and housing cooler. With this style of burner, the heating element cycles on and off during use. At number 2, we have Elite Gourmet double cast iron burner. Here's a double burner that heats up quickly with the turn of a few knobs. This infrared device has 2 cooking burners, with one that emits 600 watts, and the other 900, measuring 5 and 6.5 inches, respectively. Adjusting the temperature on each burner is easy, thanks to a knob that can either keep food warm or at a roiling boil, plus its non-skid feet ensure the burner won't slide around while in use. The maximum cookware size this burner can accommodate is up to 9.5 inches. Keep in mind, however, these dual cast iron cooking plates can't fold, so if you're not in a space that can accommodate a 20-inch appliance, this model may be too big for you. And finally at number 1, Cuisinart's CB30P1 cast iron single burner. For a single hot plate that can provide up to 1,300 watts of power, this machine is fairly impressive, especially at its price. The Cuisinart CB30P1 burner has some solid power behind it, and a 6-setting temperature control knob that can keep food warm or boil water in a jiffy. Its flat plate design makes cleaning it a cinch, and bright lights indicate when it's ready for use. This single burner is as barebones and reliable as it gets without sacrificing power or heat distribution. It also seems to be a popular electric burner for those who pressure can at home, plus its infrared heat element means it's compatible with most cookware. Its only downfall is its 7-inch burner, which may be too small for a 10 or 12-inch pan. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.